Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Cleveland dot plot using Python and the stikpetP library. If you don't want to use my library, there's a separate video on that. The Python version that I'm using is 3.97 and I'm using Jupyter Lab. The kind of chart that I'm going to show you how to create is something like this. It's like a dot plot, but only the top dots are shown, and that's sometimes referred to as a Cleveland dot plot. To show you how that can be done, I'll need some example data, so I'll first load in pandas, just so I can load in the data, and then use the read CSV to load in the General Social Survey 2012 data, slightly adjusted for the purposes of these examples. I'm not interested in all the data, only the marital status. I'm going to be using that as my nominal field. And to give you a quick impression of what that looks like, here are the values, the count. So for example, 314 people selected the option divorced. We want to show these values with the labels, of course, in a Cleveland dot plot. To install the stikpetP function library, please use pip install and then use this address. You can't just use the pip install and only stikpetP. It's only available via my GitHub, and then you can load it as any other library. The function of interest is the VI for visualization Cleveland dot plot, and it only has one input parameter, the data itself. So I'll simply use that marital field, and this should give immediately the nice visualization of the Cleveland dot plot of the marital status. Alright, and that's it. If you want to see, like I mentioned earlier, how to do it with other libraries, for example pyplot or matplotlib, have a look at the other video, or Seaborn is also discussed in there. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.